Okay, so last week I walked into Dollar Tree with exactly $12 in my pocket. And by the end of that afternoon, my backyard privacy situation was completely sorted. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another bamboo stick tutorial, stop right there. This has absolutely nothing to do with bamboo. Nothing to do with those flimsy lattice panels everyone's been doing for years either. What I'm about to show you actually works. And honestly, some of these ideas are so unexpected that even I wasn't sure they'd hold up. Spoiler alert, they did. Every single one. So if you find even one idea in this video that makes you think, okay, I could actually do that, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps more people find these budget solutions. Let's get into it. Hack 1. The tension rod fabric wall hack number 1, and this hit me while I was walking past the cleaning aisle for probably the 100th time. Tension rods. Those spring-loaded shower curtain rods. Bear with me here. Position them between fence posts, pergola beams, or any two vertical structures in your garden. Then drape outdoor fabric over them, canvas drop cloths, vinyl tablecloths, whatever you've got. The tension locks everything in place without drilling a single hole. And if you're renting like I was for years, this is an absolute game changer. No holes, no damage, no angry landlord. Here's where it gets really fun. You can swap the fabric with the seasons. Bold, bright colors in summer, warm, neutral earth tones in autumn. Takes literally 2 minutes to change. Now, I learned this the hard way. Always use 2 rods per panel, one at the top, one at the bottom. My first attempt with just 1 rod? The fabric flapped around like crazy in the wind. 2 rods? Rock solid. The whole setup for an 8-foot section costs about $4 to $6 depending on your fabric. That's it. Are you team bright patterns or team neutral tones for your outdoor space? Tell me below. Hack 2. The pool noodle trellis screen hack number 2, and I need you to just trust me on this one because it sounds absolutely bonkers until you actually see it working. Pool noodles. Yes. I am completely serious. Cut them into equal lengths, thread wooden dowels or thin PVC pipe straight through the center holes, and stack them vertically or horizontally to create a lightweight, colorful screen. When I first built this, my neighbor literally came over and asked where I bought my designer privacy screen. I said, mate, that's $8 worth of pool noodles. The look on their face was priceless. The foam is completely weatherproof, and once you thread climbing plants like morning glories or sweet peas through the gaps, you've got a living wall that blocks views while adding beautiful greenery. You can alternate colors or cut noodles at different lengths for a staggered effect. Each noodle is $1. You need about 12 to 15 for a decent panel. Total cost, $8 to $10. And it weighs practically nothing, so if you want it somewhere else next month, just pick it up and move it. Has anyone used pool noodles for something completely random in their garden? I genuinely want to hear this. Hack 3. The command hook hanging garden. Hack number 3, and I know exactly what you're thinking. Those little things that hold picture frames? Yes. But the outdoor rated versions stick to almost any smooth surface fence boards, house siding, metal posts. Arrange them in a grid pattern, hang potted plants using S-hooks or macram hangers. And suddenly you have a vertical garden that does double duty as a privacy screen. Here's my exact layering method: trailing pothos or ivy at the top, fuller ferns or coleus in the middle, compact herbs or flowers at the bottom. That layered effect blocks sight lines without making your garden feel like a prison wall. And the best part, grab those $1 or $2 sad-looking clearance plants from any garden center. They just need some love and they absolutely thrive. A grid of 15 to 20 plants creates serious coverage for under $30 to $40 total. And you can rearrange the entire thing whenever inspiration strikes. For my UK viewers, this works brilliantly on brick garden walls. US folks' vinyl siding and wood fencing are perfect for this. Which hack are you planning to try first? Drop a number in the comments. I read every single one. Hack 4. the rope and bead curtain hack number 4, and yes, we're bringing the 70s back, but make it modern. Beaded curtains. Dollar Tree sells wooden beads in the craft section and basic rope or twine in multiple colors. String the beads onto lengths of rope, hang the strands close together from a deck railing, pergola beam, or sturdy branch, and the movement when wind passes through is genuinely mesmerizing. You can stain or paint the beads any color. I went natural wood tones for a bohemian vibe, but I've seen people go all black for something really sophisticated. Each strand takes about 10 minutes to make while you're watching TV. Make 20 or 30 strands and you've got a full curtain wall. And here's something I genuinely didn't expect: the sound of the beads clicking together in the breeze adds this peaceful wind chime quality to the whole space. Total cost for a 6-foot wide curtain, $12 to $15. When autumn storms roll in UK, folks, you know exactly what I mean. Just gather the strands and store them in a bin until spring. Bohemian style or modern minimalist? What's your outdoor aesthetic? Drop it below. Hack 5. The foam board living wall hack number 5. Foam poster boards. Yes, those sheets teachers use for school presentations. They are about to become your new favorite garden material. Cut small X-shaped slits across the surface, tuck in air plants, succulents in small pots, or even realistic artificial greenery, and the foam holds everything securely while staying light enough to lean against fences or hang from hooks. Before adding plants, paint the board. Deep green for a lush jungle feel, black for dramatic contrast, white for a minimalist gallery wall. Air plants need almost zero care, which is perfect for the no-fail approach. Succulents basically thrive on neglect. And if you're in a shady spot or honestly just don't want the maintenance, those realistic artificial stems from Dollar Tree fit perfectly into the slits too. No judgment here. Mixed textures and heights, spiky plants next to rounded ones, trailing varieties beside upright growth. A 3-board panel with full planting comes in around $20 to $25 and covers roughly 6 linear feet. Team real plants or team artificial? Be honest, absolutely no judgment. Hack 6. The basket weave wall hack number 6 uses those flat plastic or woven baskets from the organization section. Turn them sideways, secure them to your fence using zip ties or outdoor wire. Overlap them slightly so there are no gaps, and you get this incredible basket weave texture that looks genuinely striking. The baskets come in different colors and patterns so you can create interesting designs by alternating styles. Leave some empty for airflow and light. Fill others with trailing plants or decorative elements. The dimensional quality casts these beautiful shifting shadows throughout the day. As the sun moves, it's actually stunning. This works particularly well for hiding chain link fences, and let's be honest, nobody loves looking at chain link or adding texture to plain wooden fences that feel too flat. Each basket is about $1 to $1.50. For an 8-foot fence section, $25 to $35 total. Installation takes about an hour working solo. Does anyone else have a chain link fence they're desperately trying to hide? You're not alone. Hack 7. The mirror illusion panel hack number